Here in Rhode Island, the health department hosting a Zoom news conference to outline who will get the vaccine first. 12 News reporter SHIINA LOSCIUTO has been monitoring that event and joins us now live with what she's learned. SHIINA?
Yeah, Mike, the press conference just ended a short time ago, and one doctor described it this way. A vaccine is the beginning of the end for a pandemic, and similar to Massachusetts, the plan here is to distribute the vaccine in phases, but there is still a lot of work to do before we even get there. Here's what we know right now. The Rhode Island Department of Health says the state will likely be getting the vaccine from both Pfizer and Moderna. And both vaccines are currently in the process of officially being approved. We've been reporting on that a lot. But we were given this timeline today of what things are looking like at a federal level. You can see here the FDA is meeting to discuss the Pfizer vaccine tomorrow. So we asked directly for a date on when the first vaccine will be distributed here in Rhode Island. And the simple answer is there is no clear answer for that as of right now.
I wish we could give you an exact date. We'd like to have an exact date, but the issue remains that the FDA needs to issue the emergency use authorization. The ACIP, the Advisory Committee on Immunization Practice, are standing up their meetings on December 11th and 13th. We have to wait until the recommendations come from the ACIP.
Now, as you just heard, the health department is really waiting on things at a federal level. After that's approved, then it will be discussed and approved at a local level. Coming up new at 6, we'll give you a little bit more information on what exactly the distribution plan looks like as of right now. It is still in the planning phases, but we'll give you a look at who might get the vaccine first. We're live in East Providence. I'm SHIINA LOSCIUTO, 12 News.
First tonight, breaking news. Rhode Island's health department says the first COVID-19 vaccines could arrive in a matter of days. The health department just gave an update on the state's vaccine preparations a short time ago.
12 News reporter SHIINA LOSCIUTO monitored the briefing and joins us now live with the latest. SHIINA?
So it's important to remember that nothing is really set in stone just yet, but we did get an updated look at who may get the vaccine first, and it really depends on your health and what you do for work. Here is the latest right now. According to the Rhode Island Health Department, there are 4 potential phases. The plans say that right now, high-risk health workers are included in phase 1, as well as older adults in congregate settings, meaning they're prioritized. And phase 2 includes prisoners and people who work in schools, while phase 3 includes younger people and workers in critical industries such as grocery store workers. And then everyone else would get the vaccine in this potential phase 4. However, state officials want to make it very clear. They're still waiting on more guidance on a federal level right now.
Last week, the ACIP came out with a guidance document that shifted some of our planning from the original National Academies of Science, Engineering, and Medicine guidance to bring long-term care residents into phase 1A. And so what will be happening is we'll be vaccinating our hospital staff in the first week because we have such a limited amount, and we will also be doing some outreach to our high-density communities to begin vaccinating there.
Now, there is still a lot to work out, but really that was the latest update. There's still more details that we need to know, such as like when the vaccine gets here and how it's stored and how exactly it will get out to people and how many we will get at once and how that all works out from there. And a lot of that depends on what exactly happens in the next few days on a federal level. We did ask when exactly the first vaccine will be distributed here in Rhode Island, and the health department says they wish they could tell me an exact date, but right now they're still working out the details. We're live in East Providence. I'm SHIINA LOSCIUTO, 12 News.